Hi everyone, welcome to What a Little Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make beans purposely. Now I don't know how it is called in English. Maybe you can call it as dried lentil crumbles or something. But yeah, so I'm going to be making purposely today. So for that I have taken 1 teaspoon of Bengal gram, 1/3 cup of tur dal, few curry leaves, 2 red chilies, 40 ml of oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of hing, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 100 grams of beans chopped very finely. Now I'm going to wash both the dals in this water. Wash it really well, like 2 to 3 times, so that all the dust particles or stones, whatever it is gone. I have washed the dal. Now I am going to add it in this water, 1.5 glass of water, and soak it for around 2 hours. Now I have first soaked the dal. Now I am going to wash the red chilies and soak that along with the dal. Let this soak for 2 hours. So it has been 2 hours now. So I am going to transfer this into the jar and grind it until it's very coarse. It should not be smooth. It should be a very coarse paste. I have grinded it a little bit now. So now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of hing and then a pinch of salt and grind it again. Now I have grinded this with salt and hing. If you feel like it has very less salt, then you can add little bit more according to your taste. So now I am going to steam this. Now I have placed 2 cups of water under this pan, and I am going to brush this in with oil. And I'm going to take the grinded dal and just pour it on all the 5. Just pour it like that. Don't make it into a ball or something. Just keep it like that. And then we are going to steam this, cover and steam this for around 10 minutes. Now I'm going to saute the beans. So for this I'm adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to add our mustard seeds now, around 1 tablespoon. So let the mustard seeds crackle. Now I am going to add curry leaves. Now I am going to add our finely chopped beans. Saute them well. Now I am going to add salt, 1 teaspoon. Now I am going to add very little water, like hardly 1-2 teaspoon, this much only, so that it cooks faster. And I am going to cover this now and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. So while our beans is cooking, this has steamed completely. So now we are going to grind it again. Our beans is done now. So I am going to take this aside. Now our steamed dal has cooled down, so I am going to add this into the grinder. So I have added this, and I am going to add a little bit of salt because it has less salt. So you can also check and add salt accordingly. Now I'm going to grind this until it's powdered. Now I have grinded this to a powdered form using a single stroke. So you should also have this kind of texture. It should be very powdered and not like sticky. And now I'm going to add this to our pan. I'm going to add around 30 ml of oil to our pan and wait until the oil heats up. Now the more oil you put, the more tastier it will get. So I'm going to add our powdered dal into it and I'm going to saute it well until it forms like small balls. Now this is something you don't get anywhere outside. This they prepare only during South Indian weddings or something, not everywhere. So like only once in a time they make this during any festivals or weddings. Now there are little lumps here, so I'm going to add our fried beans to it and saute it well for like 1 to 2 minutes. Saute it for 2 minutes and then it's done. So it's been 2 minutes now. Our beans purposely is ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer this. Our beans purposely is now ready. Thank you for watching. Do try this recipe out and let us know in the comments below if you like this recipe, and do subscribe if you want to watch more of our yummy recipes.